In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Analytics code. Whether you're launching a new website or need to track analytics for an existing one, setting up Google Analytics is an essential step. Let's make this process quick and easy so you can start understanding your website's traffic dynamics in no time. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Analytics homepage. You can do this by heading over to the Analytics Tools and Solutions page on Google's site. Once you're there, look for the Sign into Analytics option. It's usually at the upper right corner of the page, conveniently placed for easy access. After signing in, you'll be led to the Google Analytics home. Here you can see an overview of all your tracked data. If you're setting up a new account or if this is your first time logging in, the interface may prompt you with a guided setup. But don't worry, if you already have projects or previous data, everything will show up here on the home screen. Next, shift your focus to the bottom left side where you'll find the settings gear icon. Clicking this will bring you to your account settings area. This section is a hub for managing different settings and configurations. You're looking for an option typically labeled as data collection and modification. Clicking on this will allow you to customize how incoming data is handled. Once inside the data collection and modification section, the next step is navigating to data streams. This is where all your data pipelines are managed, offering a view of all current data inputs from various platforms like websites and apps. Within the data stream section, you'll see a list of streams already set up, or you may have the option to create a new one. Each stream has a unique measurement ID, which acts as a bridge between your website and Google Analytics. You need to locate and click on this measurement ID, which will reveal more detailed information about the stream and, most importantly, give you the code you need to integrate Google Analytics into your website. With these steps, you have successfully obtained your Google Analytics measurement ID. You can use this ID in your website's HTML to start tracking visitor data. Make sure to place the code in the header of your HTML files. This ensures the analytics code loads before any other content on the page, thus accurately tracking your visitors' activities from the moment they land on your site. And there you have it. Your Google Analytics is all set up. By following these straightforward steps, you now have a powerful tool at your disposal to gain insights into your website's traffic and user behavior. Keep exploring all the features Google Analytics offers to maximize the potential of your data analysis. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.